Using my knowledge in AI and data science, I was able to improve Scarface strategy and make it a 100% win rate with a return of 12k, at least based on my data sample. So today I'll cover a perfect trade example which happened just this week. If you like this strategy and want to get access to the optimized trading plan, you can find it in my channel. I'm a money engineer, and with my master's in machine learning, I've helped traders get funded and get payouts using data science. Alright, so the trade happened actually just this Monday at the time of recording. As you know, Nasdaq has been very bullish since the end of October and the US elections. So you can see that the London session right there was very bullish, the Asian session was ranging, and the price action right before the equity market was also very bullish. So as you know, we'll need to go on the 5-minute and look at the first candle at the 9:30 open. And there are many other rules for this setup, so make sure you watch the other video to get access to the trading plan. But I'll just write the high and the low of the first 5 minutes of the equity open. Then drop down on the 1 minute. So as you know, because most of price action has been bullish, of course, what we will be looking for is a long position to try to take it higher. So you can see that we had a clear push higher, leaving this fair value gap, and we had a close above the level. But this is not what I'm looking for. Let's just wait for more price action. Once again, we came back higher. You can see that on the 952 candle, we had a break higher, and the 953 candle came back lower and pushed higher once again, leaving this wick right there. So this is some nice price action that we're seeing around the level we're looking for. So let's see if we can get an entry there. What I would like to see is some kind of pullback and then a confirmation that we're going higher once again. So you see that we're respecting this fair value gap right there, and overall the different order blocks on the way up. It's still not too late to take a trade. As you know, we have some specific formation time and execution time. So let's see if we can get something. Alright, beautiful right there. So we got the close back up, and you can see this big bullish engulfing candle. So this is the type of signs that we want to see around the level. And not only that, you can see that we had this low that was swept at this moment, because price action was very simple to trade in. We had this clear break higher, come back to the fair value gap. We had another quick one right there, break higher, come back to the fair value gap. And what people would be expecting at that time would be a very simple continuation higher, maybe using any of the retracement on the fib, try and take it higher. So a lot of people would try to put an order, let's say at the 62, put the stop loss at the low right there, and try to take it higher, trying to continue this bullish momentum. And maybe actually some of you took actually this trade, and I'll explain why this didn't work out. This was actually engineered to create liquidity around this level at the high of a level of interest. And once we came back to it, we had an immediate rejection. So this is very significant. This is something that we need to be aware of. Those are the type of hints that we need to see on price action. So right when we see the big engulfing candle, you can just put your entry at the close, stop loss at the low. And as you saw in my last video, we'll just go with a 1, 2, 3. Just like that. I wanted to take today's sponsor, Moomoo. It is a Nasdaq listed brokerage firm, a strategic partner with the Toronto Stock Exchange, and the #1 rated platform on TradingView in the US. Moreover, Moomoo offers over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools that can easily implement many strategies that you have. They have some AI functions which are very interesting if you're looking for investment opportunities, like the trend projection. They also allow for conditional orders, like trading stop orders. Their fees are very competitive. In Canada, you can save up to 90% on commission and conversion fees when trading US stocks. In the US, it is $0. So if you're interested, using the link in the description, you can get $50 worth of stock cash when you deposit $100. And you can combine it with a transfer bonus of up to $2,300 Canadian. The US also has some great rewards, offering 15 free stocks. So don't miss out. And right away, you can see no pullback, no drawdown. We had the reaction, the big bullish engulfing gave us the confidence also that we're seeing some price action on the direction, and we went straight to take profit. Let's still study how far we went. So beautiful bullish price action that we're seeing here on the indices. So you can see that eventually after lunchtime we were at a 1 to 6. So very impressive, to be honest. So this was a quick trade that I saw this week. So I know a lot of my viewers are liking this strategy. So I just wanted to give you an update and another trade that you could add to your journal. And if you want to see the importance of having a trading plan and a trading journal in 2025 that can make the entire difference in your trading career, just click on this video. See you there.